assuming you're searching for Chilliz cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Chilliz CHZ will go from now on. We will examine the previous costs of Chilliz CHZ and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally unimaginable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Chilliz is $0.0759 and CHZ is at present positioned #101 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Chilliz is 8,888,289,967 with a market cap of $674,251,467. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Chilliz's cost has shown a decent increment of 1.59% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the CHZ was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.03%. Chilliz has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Chilliz Benefit Number Cruncher is a free instrument that permits you to quickly assess the presentation of your CHZ property by working out possible benefits and misfortunes in view of fluctuating business sector costs. Just enter the sum you have contributed, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, charge, and our CHZ mini computer will wrap up. We anticipate future Chilliz cost expectations gauged by applying profound man-made consciousness helped specialized examination on the past value information of Chilliz. We give our all to gather most extreme authentic information for the CHZ coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Chilliz market cap, Chilliz volume, and not many more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations. Chilliz Value Forecast Outline. Our Chilliz long haul gauge for 2050 proposes CHZ possibly running somewhere in the range of $60.75 and $71.90. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Chilliz in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $0.1548 mark. The ongoing business sector cost of one Chilliz is $0.0759. Chilliz cost figure proposes a chance of CHZ exchanging between $0.7751 to $0.9406 in 2030. The typical extended cost for Chilliz in 2040 is supposed to be $49.70, with possible difference somewhere in the range of $46.42 and $57.65. Chilliz Value Forecast 2024. The cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.0885 in 2024. The Chilliz cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.0987 with the typical cost of $0.0922 all through 2024. Chilliz Value Forecast 2025. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.1227. The CHZ cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.1548 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.1264. CHZ value figure for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of CHZ, in 2026 the cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.1791. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.2104 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.1854. Chilliz CHZ Value Expectation 2027. The cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.255 in 2027. The Chilliz cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.3098 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.2643 all through 2027. Chilliz Value Forecast 2028. Chilliz cost is estimated to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.3671 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.4391 with the typical estimate cost of $0.3803. Chilliz Value Forecast 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of CHZ, in 2029, so the cost of Chilliz is estimated to be at around a base worth of $0.5373. The Chilliz value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.6457 with a typical exchanging worth of $0.5525 in USD. Chilliz CHZ value forecast 2030. Chilliz cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.7751 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.9406 with a typical conjecture cost of $0.8028. Chilliz value conjecture 2031. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Chilliz is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $1.13. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.34 with the typical worth of $1.17. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2032. The cost of one Chilliz is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $1.74 in 2032. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.96 with a typical cost of $1.80 all through 2032. Chilliz value expectation 2033. The cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at least worth of $2.64 in 2033. The Chilliz cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $3.04 with the typical exchanging cost of $2.71 all through 2033. Chilliz value figure 2040. Long-haul forecast ought to be drawn nearer with alert because of the innate vulnerabilities in the cryptographic money market. Enhancement and remaining informed about the most recent improvements are key systems for overseeing gambles related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our CHZ cost expectation, the year 2040 can end with a greatest cost of $57.65, while the base value worth of a Chilliz can be around $46.42 with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $49.70 approximately. CHZ value estimate for 2050. Analyzing verifiable execution gives setting. However, it is essential to perceive that previous presentation isn't characteristic of future outcomes. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2050 the cost of Chilliz is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $60.75. The CHZ cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $71.90 with the typical worth of $64.41. Chilliz value conjecture facts. What amount will Chilliz be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Chilliz will have a base cost of $0.4391 and a most extreme cost of $0.3671 per CHZ. Since Chilliz is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth changes radically. What amount does Chilliz cost in 2025? The cost of Chilliz will increment as additional financial backers